G'day guys, ordered a 3D boot liner for the Pajero Sport. Got a 2017, so I thought I'd do just a quick video on see how it looks once it's installed. I might do it like a time lapse just to speed it up a little. I've got the I pull the mats out and make sure they're all there, so I'll spread them out in the position I've got to go in, roughly left and right. Got them in the sun just to warm them up a little, soften up so it takes the shape right. Okay, we'll get stuck into it. Okay, so I've finished the job. Looks bloody nice, I tell you what. It's a pretty good fit. I don't think you're ever going to get a perfect fit, but it's very well done. It's a bit time consuming, but you know, what are you going to do? Anyway, that's that looks quite nice actually, nice and clean. Okay, thanks for watching.